In this video, I will show you how to add debit cards to Google Play. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Play Store app on your device. From here, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto your profile icon. And then from this screen, you should see an option called payments and subscriptions. So what you want to do is go ahead and press onto that. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is press onto payment methods at the top of the screen. So as you can see, this is going to take you across to your payment method screen, so you can see all your current payment methods. But if you actually look down the page slightly, you're going to see an option here to add credit or debit cards. So what you want to do is give this a press. Then what you need to do is go ahead and enter your card details into here. And once you've gone ahead and entered all those details, just press the blue save button at the bottom. Once you've done that, you're going to get a screen like this where it says adding card to your Google account. And then it's going to take you back to this screen and you should now see your cards being added to your payment methods. So that is how to add debit card to Google Play. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial and I will see you in the next video.